quick tutorial and show y'all how to do the foundation single crochet. This is a stitch that I would highly recommend anyone to learn, along with the foundation half double crochet and the foundation double crochet. It will be a very helpful stitch to learn for projects that you will do. It is kind of like crocheting your first row of chain stitches and your very first row of single crochet in the same step. So it's eliminated having to crochet a long chain and then having to count, make sure you have enough chains, because we all know those little chains are hard to count and sometimes they can even be hard to single crochet back through them. So this eliminates that, and so you just have to do one step instead of two. It also creates for a stretchier piece. And I also have a full blog post with all the details, written and picture tutorial, and with all the different details and how you can substitute the foundation single crochet in a pattern, and I tell you how to do that. So if you want to know that, I'll link that below. And I'm just going to jump right in and show y'all how to do it. So to start, I have just made a slip knot and put it on my hook. I am just using a worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm or eye hook. You can use any yarn with the corresponding hook, of course. And to start, I'm going to chain 2. And then in the very first chain, I am going to insert my hook and pull up a loop. Now normally to work a regular single crochet, we would just yarn over and pull through both. But for the foundation single crochet, it's going to be a little different. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first loop, 2 loops on our hook, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And there's one foundation single crochet. So you see how we kind of made like our chain stitch and then we made our single crochet. So to go on, you're going to insert your hook in the bottom of the stitch. This little V here. I'll insert my hook right there. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So I have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through those 2. And that is how easy it is to do the foundation single crochet. I will keep going. So I'll insert my hook right there in that little spot and the little V on the bottom of the stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And then this is the top of it, 1, 2, 3. And you keep doing that for as many stitches as you need. Just insert it, pull up a loop, pull through 1. So it's like you made your chain stitch, then you're going to pull through those 2. You made your single crochet. Do it again. Pull through 1, pull through 2. So you're eliminating having to do the whole chain stitch and then work your single crochet back through it. And you can just do it for as many as you need. And that is how easy and simple it is to crochet the foundation single crochet. I hope y'all found this video helpful. If y'all did, be sure to click subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog for free crochet patterns and other stitch tutorials. And happy crocheting, guys!